Today I want to show you a free alternative to GitHub Copilot, a tool called Codeium. This extension will help you write code inside your code editor, and it's free. It supports almost all code editors like VS Code, JetBrains, PHP Storm, Android Studio, and even Vim. Additionally, it works with most programming languages. Let me show you an example. Press Ctrl+I to trigger it and enter your prompt. Let us ask it to write a code for uploading a file in Laravel with file size limit of 5 MB. It will then generate the code for you. I will show you more after demonstrating how to install it. Go to Codeium, link in the description and first comment. Then click Get Extension. Select your code editor and click Quick Install. After installation, it might ask you to sign up. Do it, it's free. Start using it. I will show us some more use cases. Press Ctrl+I to trigger the AI and enter the prompt. Now, we are asking it to write a simple calculator with PHP. Voila, it's done. Let's improve it a bit more. I ask it to add some Bootstrap CSS and it works. You can make modifications to the AI generated code. Now let's test the app. Just testing now. And you can see the result is showing at the top. If you need, you can tell the AI to make it better. Hope you like this extension and this video. Thank you for watching. If you need more videos like this, let me know in the comments.